our Stunning Home Renovation Reveal. After months of hard work and dedication, we are thrilled to finally reveal the stunning results of our home renovation project. Our once dated and lackluster home has been transformed into a modern, stylish, and functional space that we are proud to call our own. From the outset, we knew that our home was in desperate need of a makeover. The layout was cramped and outdated, with walls and rooms that didn't flow well together. The kitchen was small and poorly designed, and the bathrooms were in dire need of an upgrade. We also wanted to create a more open and welcoming atmosphere, with plenty of natural light and a connection to the outdoors. To achieve our vision, we enlisted the help of a professional designer and contractor who worked closely with us to create a plan that would meet our needs and exceed our expectations. We spent months discussing our ideas, selecting materials and finishes, and finalizing the details of the design. The first step in the renovation process was to tear down the walls that separated the kitchen, living, and dining areas. This created an open concept space that allows for easy flow and natural light to flood through the entire area. We chose a neutral color palette, with whites and grays that helped to enhance the feeling of spaciousness. The kitchen was completely transformed with new cabinets, countertops, and appliances. We opted for a clean and modern look, with sleek and simple lines that give the space a timeless appeal. We also added a large island that serves as a focal point for the room and provides plenty of space for food preparation and casual dining. One of the most significant changes we made was to the master suite. We converted a small, cramped bedroom and bathroom into a luxurious retreat with a spacious and elegant master suite. The new space features a large walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom with a freestanding tub and a walk-in shower. We also updated the other bathrooms in the house, adding new fixtures, tiles, and lighting that give each room a fresh and modern look. The result is a home that feels brand new, with a cohesive and stylish design that flows seamlessly from one room to the next. Throughout the renovation process, we made a conscious effort to incorporate sustainable and eco-friendly elements into our home. We installed energy-efficient appliances, added insulation to the walls and ceilings, and used materials that are environmentally responsible and long-lasting. In addition to the interior renovations, we also transformed the exterior of our home. We added a new front porch and landscaping that create an inviting and welcoming entrance, and we added a patio and outdoor kitchen in the backyard that provide the perfect space for entertaining and relaxing. Overall, the renovation project was a huge success, and we are thrilled with the results. Our home has been transformed into a stunning and functional space that reflects our personal style and meets the needs of our family. We have created a space that we are proud to show off to friends and family, and we look forward to enjoying it for years to come.